A very good morning to my dear students of Standard 6. I hope you all have enjoyed your Diwali vacation and now are fit and fine. So let us continue with our journey. Before I start with my new assignment, children, I want to tell you two things. One is the noise you might hear in the video is the construction which is going besides my compound. So please bear with me with the sound if you hear in between. That is the construction work going on. Thank you, dear children. The second one is the video which I had uploaded from the YouTube, that is the best out of waste. Few children had asked their class teachers whether it is an assignment. Children, best out of waste, that is the craft work, is not the assignment. It is for you to learn something new from best out of waste. Usually we throw out the things which we don't require, but you can make use of those things. For example, your plastic bottles, the wrappers of the soap, the matchbox, and many other things which you throw out which is not of your use. So when you have time and nothing to do and you're fed up with your daily routine work, you can do this craft work. It is not your assignment, neither it is compulsory. This is for you to learn something new, something creative. So children, these 2 points do not forget, and do not ask your class teachers again and again, because this YouTube video regarding best out of waste I might put in between the assignments. So those are not your assignment. Only drawing on the paper is your assignment. So we continue with our assignment. Children, this is your 8th assignment. We have finished with our 7th assignment. Our last assignment for the first term was calligraphy. I hope you remember. So this is our 8th assignment. Now our 8th assignment starts with memory drawing, which is related to Christmas. Hold your paper horizontal as you see on the screen. Now I had told you earlier about how to draw the borderline. Hold your paper firm in one position and you have only to move your 2 fingers in this manner. Can you see? Yes. So without the scale, you are going to draw the borderline. This is how you do the borderline. After drawing the borderline in all 4 sides, you have to write your date on the left hand side. Now the date will be on the day when this drawing video will be uploaded, not the coloring, the pencil drawing video. So keep in mind the date, then will be the assignment number. Assignment number you will continue as the 8th assignment. Do not forget, this is assignment 8. Then you write the topic. The topic will be, it will be written in pen, blue pen. Memory drawing. Into bracket, you write Christmas. This is all what you have to write. On the right hand side will be the name, standard, division and roll number. So please do not forget to write and hold your paper horizontal. Children, don't do what is not asked. Do what is told and keep in mind and remember those things. You have to hold your paper horizontal. Now, as you see on the screen, you have to draw Christmas bells, not bell, bells, S. 2 bells you have to draw, as you can see on the screen. Now, these 2 bells are together tied with a bow, and you can see the leaves. These are the cherry leaves. You can see this, and you have all seen a picture of Christmas tree, Christmas symbols. You don't have to copy it from anywhere. It has to be your own creativity, and don't take anybody's help when you do the assignment. If your parents have to show you by any chance or guide you by any chance, it will be on your rough paper, not on the fair sheet. So this is all what you have to do. You have to draw 2 bells. Now keep in mind always, you have to draw the drawing bigger to suit the size of the paper. Now here I have taken a smaller size paper, but your size is the original size which you use. So it is little bigger than the size of the paper which I have used. So please draw the drawing bigger, but keep in mind it should not touch the borderline from anywhere. Now after drawing this, you have to outline the whole picture with black microtip pen. After doing it with black microtip pen, children, keep in mind that you have to erase all the pencil marking. And this will be kept ready for next session when I will show you the coloring. Please do not color. You have to only do the pencil drawing. You have only to do the pencil drawing and not the coloring. Is that clear to you? So see how big the drawing is done. It can be even bigger than this. You can show design on it if you want, but it should not look odd. You have seen all the Christmas symbol. Now I have, from the 5th to the 8th, I have given only Christmas symbol, but each one has a different symbol. So keep in mind, you have not to do any other symbol, but you have to do only Christmas bells. And not separate bells, it has to be a joint bell with a bow and the Christmas few leaves around. And this is all what you have to do. Coloring will be next session. Keep your oil pastels ready. Is that clear to you? I told you about the noise outside, the sound outside, that is the construction sound, and the YouTube videos about best out of waste. So these 2 points always keep in mind. It is not your assignment. It is not your daily assignment. It is just for fun. Want to do, you do. It is not compulsory. But when you do it, you will get some ideas to do something apart from that. Some new thing will come up. Is that clear to you? And you will find little change in that and you will feel nice. Because I know all are fed up with this COVID situation of sitting at home and doing nothing. Is that clear to you? Thank you and God bless you.